How to archive an app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, you will see apps list is showing here, so you will select app from here. After click on app, you will see archive is here. If you want to archive an app, click on archive. You will see app is archive. If you want to restore, click on restore. After click on restore, you will see your app is few seconds later your app is restored. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can archive an app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.